You made it. This is the end of LifePatch. But this is not the end of the game. This is the checkpoint where everything clicks. At the start of the system, you were running on autopilot, reacting, drifting, repeating loops that you were not able to see. Your Sloth stalling, your loss hijacking, your greed grasping, your envy corroding. Now, you have faced each one. You have built habits that hold, and more importantly, you can see the loops before they grab you. Here's the real win. You're not perfect, but you're aware. That's what changes everything. Before LifePatch, I didn't know if I could stick to any of this. I slipped, I messed up, I had setbacks. And that's normal. What changed was that every time I fell, I got up faster. Instead of drifting for months or years, I course corrected in days. That's the power of discipline and stacking habits. You have built a really good stack. Gratitude, scrub, exercise, meditation, decluttering, resets, momentum sprints, connection swaps. That is your operating system now. Don't give up on it. Stay on it. So here's how you're going to take it forward. Step 1. Keep the stack alive. Those aren't tasks. Those are our base code by now. Step 2. Track visibly. A board, a planner, a notebook. Let your accountability overlookers see the proof. Step 3. Set a big quest. Weight goal, money, fitness, side gig, habits. Something that it's worth building that's going to take that discipline from you. Step 4. Build your reset protocol. Bugs creep in, but now you know exactly what to do. Step 5. Keep growing the discipline muscle. Light reps, small weights, daily consistency, and lots of momentum. This is your victory lap. Reward yourself constantly, not to escape, but to celebrate. One thing, savor it, and then stop. You are in control. Here's the truth. The game never ends. You will drift, you will slip, and that's fine. Because now you know how to reboot without falling apart. I went from daily binges to month clean. From whole pizzas to balance on walks. From drifting blindly to catching myself instantly. If I can, you can. Discipline is a muscle. Progress is color on the board. Every rep makes you stronger. Cravings rise, they peak, and they fade. You don't have to fight them, just outweigh them. Revisit your recordings before giving in to impulses. When the tide pulls back, you're still standing. You're going to be stronger. Your will force growing and a big smile on your face. Be honest, be vigilant. Indulge wisely and reset fast. This isn't perfection. This is life debugged. Life updated. Life running clean. Game on. If you want to support this movement, join the Human OS Skill community. That's where the live editor mode is waiting when you are ready to install and take this to the next level. See you there.